Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. Here I have started a lecture series based on the topic biomolecule. So these lectures are very useful for B.Sc Biological Science students. You may have Microbiology, Biotechnology, Botany, Zoology, Biochemistry, Bioinformatics, even Biophysics. So for all the students, my lectures will be very useful. So don't miss to watch my lectures. In continuation with our topic, today we are going to discuss 4 more amino acids. So let's see what is the first amino acid. The first amino acid of today's lecture is methionine. The 3-letter code is MET and with single letter we denote it as a M, capital M. This is the structure of methionine. Here we find sulfur is there in this methionine. Out of 20 amino acids, there are 2 amino acids which contains sulfur in them. So that are one is methionine and another is a cysteine. So this is the amino acid having sulfur in its side chain. CH3, CH2, sulfur is there and CH3. This amino acid is present in cereals and pulses lacks this amino acid. As adenosine methionine, this is a we can say derivative of methionine and this is used as a precursor for plant hormone ethylene. So this is the use of this methionine. This is again an essential amino acid and it is required to be taken through the diet. The next amino acids we are discussing are serine and threonine. For the serine, 3-letter code is SER and we denote it with S. For the threonine, THR and capital T. Now come to the structure. When we see the structures, we find that in the side chain, both of the amino acids are having hydroxyl group. This hydroxyl group is used for the O-linked glycosylation. O-linked glycosylation is the process which takes place in a Golgi complex. During the protein trafficking, during the protein sorting, the glycosyl group is attached to the oxygen of this serine or threonine residue in a protein. When we see about the asymmetric carbon atoms, serine is having single asymmetric carbon atom, this C alpha, whereas threonine is having 2 asymmetric carbon atoms. Now, depending on the asymmetric carbon atom, we find that how many stereoisomers can be formed. So, the formula is 2 raised to n, where n is the number of asymmetric carbon atoms present. Now, in case of threonine, if there is a 2 asymmetric carbon atom, then 2 raised to 2 would be a 4. So, threonine will show 4 stereoisomers. Okay. Serine is present in sericine protein. It is present in silk fibroin protein, and it is used for O-linked glycosylation. Yes, the next one is a tyrosine. This is another aromatic amino acid having aromatic ring in its side chain. Here hydroxyl group is also present. This is the essential amino acid for the person suffering from phenylketonuria. This shows absorbance of UV light at 270 nanometer. So here we have completed with 4 amino acids: methionine, tyrosine, serine and threonine. So in the next video we will discuss with another 4 amino acid. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.